Hi everyone, this side Avinash, and in today's video we are going to discuss HCL salary breakup for the person who have experience of 1 year as a software engineer. So let us discuss this salary breakup. Let us discuss something about HCL Technologies. HCL Technologies is a service-based MNC which is based in India, and its stock is trading around 1000 on Indian Stock Exchange. Let us discuss the monthly components. The basic salary for monthly components is like 13,000 to 2,050, and our house rent allowance is 6,625, and the conveyance allowance is 2,000, medical allowance is 2,000, and city compensatory allowance is 5,865. So the salary breakup I am discussing is a genuine one, and it is taken from one of my friends. So monthly uh, salary is around 29,740, and which comes in hand, and annualized is 3,56,880. And let us now discuss annual components. In annual components, we have provident fund, which is around 19,000 yearly, and gratuity is of around 7,644, which can be taken only when you work in the same company for more than 5 years. And insurance and medical benefits are around 8,000, and so annual CTC is around 3,47,024. There are some more components like insurance and medical benefits, in which you have hospitalization and reimbursement limit of around 3 lakh, and term life insurance cover is of around 20 lakh. So term life insurance which you, if you go currently in a market to take from Policy Bazaar, or from some other site, it will cost you around 550 or 595 for a cover of 50 lakhs. And disability cover due to accident is around 18 lakh. So this was all from my side. Thank you, and subscribe for my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.